Hi, my name is Jonathan Ross with Ergo-Flex Technologies, and today I'm going to be showing you how to install the remote application software. And for you beta testers, this will allow us to install your new version of the Total Brain and Body software. So the process to install the remote application software is actually pretty simple, and I'm going to be walking through how to do so now. Firstly, we need to go and select our browser of choice. I will be using Microsoft's Edge. Go ahead and start that application. Wait for it to load. Once it's there, go ahead and navigate yourself to ergoflextechnologies.com. You'll see your web page pop up. This is a great place for you to get a lot of information, but for right now, we're going to go and download and click this TBB02 beta group button. Go ahead and click it.
Once you click the button, it'll open us up into a new tab from a Google Drive called deployment_working. Go ahead and click the download. It'll say that it cannot preview the file, but that's all right. And then it'll open us up into a new tab saying that Google Drive could not scan this file for viruses. That's just by proxy of the way that we compacted our files, but that doesn't mean that you're susceptible to any more viruses or anything like that. This is a completely safe version of our software. Let's go ahead and just click download anyways. And then in the bottom left hand corner, you'll see a couple of options such as open and save as. We want to go ahead and save that file, so we're going to click save as and then navigate to downloads. Mine does it automatically. So then you're in the downloads folder. Go ahead and click save. And then it'll take just another couple of seconds for it to download completely. All this is going to allow us to do at this time is have a local version of our software. It's stored on the computer. And then the rest of this can be pretty tricky, but we're going to be here walking you through the rest of it. So then from there, all you need to do is just simply go to our File Explorer, navigate to Downloads, and we'll see our deployment_working.zip here. And then now that we know that it's saved, we can go ahead and close out our file, our browser, and then we'll be good to go.
So once you get back into the File Explorer, go ahead and select it, then right click it, and then press extract all, and then select the destination and extract files. This is all correct, so go ahead and click extract. You'll see it do its thing, and another window will pop up. This is the unextracted version of that development working folder. From there, get into this folder, right click on betaconfig.bat, select run as administrator. You'll see this pop up on the screen, window protected your PC. This is just simply saying that it's an unrecognized application and you want to be sure that you actually get this from a reputable source. There is nothing to be worried about with this application, however, so go ahead and select more info. Run anyways, and then you'll pop up into this little black window in command prompt right here. You'll see it is asking you what is the serial number of this TBB02 right here. So from there, you're going to want to find your serial number on the right hand side of the desktop itself. You'll see it pop up right here, and then go ahead and type that number into the command prompt. So our unit here is T2020 0011. This will vary from system to system, so make sure that you are using your serial number and click enter. It'll run through a couple different things. You'll notice that it changes your wallpaper and it pops up with this screen connect line. This is the remote application software that we use to get into your system and do some remote diagnostics. It'll wait about 15 seconds to ensure that it is completely installed. And then once that time is up, it'll run through and install another application called 7-zip, which allows us to extract files that are compressed. It'll wait another 15 seconds. And then once that 5 seconds is over, it'll actually restart your device. And we're back. So you notice that 3 things have actually happened over the course of our installation process. First of which is our brand new spanking wallpaper. Looks pretty nice on here, and this indicates that you've ran through our process. Then secondly, you'll notice if you click this Show Hidden Icons tab that we have a new icon here at Link Connect. This is our little remote application software. So if you don't have this on here, we won't be able to access your machine remotely. Please give us a call and we'll do some diagnostics and help you over the phone. Then thirdly, last but not least, we're going to have our new, once you click the start menu, 7-zip file manager application installed. But then once you're done, you're all set. Now that the remote application software has been installed on your computer, we're going to be ready to install the new beta application onto your device. Please contact us whenever you have run through this process and we'll get you up and running within the time allotted that you filled out on the form, and you'll be ready to go.